This is the I.S.S Tool Bag lost overboard in November, catalogue number 58299, COSPA 1998-067WC. This was filmed using the Skywatcher 130p mounted to the AZ GTE mount, tracked directly. The tool bag was approximately 700 kilometers distance from me, at about 420 kilometers above the Earth. I used an application on the iPad called Luminos Pro for tracking, of which is a screenshot appearing now. I checked Luminos's database of satellites, and at the moment in time in which I was tracking this tool bag, there were no other objects in the vicinity. There were further cross-track satellites, being a Starlink a little further on in the video. However, they were too dim and the wrong angle for the sun to pick up. Media reports suggest you can track this tool bag using a pair of binoculars. It seems as though the magnitude is probably in the vicinity of 6. However, it would be sheer luck for you to detect the tool bag in binoculars now that it is at least 15 to 20 minutes ahead of the space station in its orbit.